Meaning of homespun.
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 Homespun. The word homespun refers to a type of fabric that is woven by hand using simple tools and techniques. It can also refer to things that are simple, unsophisticated, or made in a homey way. Homespun items often have a rustic or homemade feel to them, and can be associated with traditional or old-fashioned values. Overall, the term homespun suggests something that is genuine, authentic, and made with care and attention to detail. Whether it's a piece of clothing or a homemade meal, homespun items are often prized for their personal touch and unique character.